Hey, I'm Icy.
And I'm Jade.
Today we're gonna talk about
Parabola!
Wait, isn't parabola familiar?
Yes, actually, it has been tackled in our junior years in mathematics.
Oh yes, I remember. It wasn't that hard, right?
It is, but we've got to watch out for the science while solving it. So, Icy, do you still remember parabola?
Well, parabola is defined as a set of all points P in a plane equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point in the plane.
Oh, now
There are two standards and general forms of equations of a parabola: the vertical axis of symmetry and the horizontal axis of symmetry, the A, H, and K.
Oh yeah, now I remember. There are also equations to solve for each axis, though some of it are the same but different answer. Tips. So now we're gonna set 3 examples in each axis.
First, let's start with the vertical axis of symmetry equation. In this vertical axis equation, first you must find the A, H, and K and the vertex point. Remember, when getting a number out of a squared parenthesis, the sign will no longer be what it was before, instead the opposite. Now to use the formulas. After you have solved them all, we are to graph. Point A in the graph is the vertex, point B is the focus, and point C the directrix. You must be wondering where the LR is. Well, the answer of the LR is divided into 2 and is put beside the point B. The LR's purpose is to measure how wide the parabola will be, and the broken lines in the point C indicates that no line of the parabola will go through there. This is another example. You can see that no number is located to where an A number should be. In that case, it is automatically 1. Let's solve. Let's graph. And ta-da! This is the graph. You know, I'm still psyched for another one. Another one? Okay! And that's for my part. Take it away, Jade!
So now I am to give you 3 examples in the horizontal axis of symmetry. But first, let me tell you something. Solving this axis is the same as the vertical axis. The only difference is their formulas. Be careful in substituting and getting the vertex point. So let's start. Now, we are to determine the given and the vertex point. As you have noticed, the retriever on the vertex point is opposite to the other one. Let's continue. So now, by using this given, we can find the parabola of the given equation. Now let's graph. As you can see in this graph, the parabola's opening is to the right. This is because of the given that is focused on the x-axis, the same as the vertical axis which is focused on the y-axis. Okay, another example. Now we are to determine the given and the vertex point. Graph! As you can see in this graph, the parabola's opening is now to the left. It is because it depends on the sign of the A. If positive, on the right. If negative, on the left. Another! Oh yeah, and don't ever be afraid if the given has fraction, it already has. Graph! And lastly, if you feel unsure of the graph, you can always check back. And that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell below.